What's up, everybody? I'm Jay, DCA Adventure, back again with another video, and today we are going to talk about some ways to earn cryptocurrency without the risk of trading. Guys, if you like our content, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. Also, this is not financial advice at all, so trade, mine, stake, and gamble at your own risk. Anything having to deal with cryptocurrency, guys, is very risky. You need to do your due diligence, do your research, and take it from there. If you want access to the DCA trading script or the DCA trading bots, you guys need to join the Patreon group. Join my tier, Trading with a View, and by joining, you do get access to the sweet DCA trading script. You guys will also have access to the DCA bots, courtesy of my very, very good friend Astro Park. He is also my partner over at Crypto Mentors. There will be a slew of links down in the description for the different discords that we have, and also for the things that we talk about today. Guys, I trade at Phemex, I trade on Bybit. We are having a Bybit competition, a trading competition. If you sign up using my link, me and Astro Park will make sure that you guys get the trading scripts that we are using for the duration of the competition. We'd greatly appreciate you guys signing up. We need people on the team, so check it out. It will be in the description. Sign up. Also, guys, by using them links for Phemex or Bybit, you will get cheaper trading fees and you will get a better sign-on bonus. So make sure you get in there and do that. I'd like to give a shout out to HyperTrader. This is the screen that you guys are seeing right now. This is where I'm trading all my altcoins at the moment through API. They have several different exchanges that you guys can choose from. What I like about it is I have 4 different exchanges, and each one of these charts can be a different exchange trading a different asset. Link for that will also be in the description, guys. Get in there, check them out. They are going live at the end of the month, so you need to get in there, use the link, use the referral code that will lock in 15% discount when they go live. And I will tell you what, the pricing that they have on this thing is very, very reasonable. You guys know that I basically just trade the big ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, but these guys have made it so much easier to trade these alts. So I've been having a lot of fun here the last couple weeks trading these alts. And the guys in the Patreon too, by joining the Patreon group, you guys get to see the signals and see what I'm doing as far as trading. And let me tell you, we've had some very awesome trades here the last couple days. We have killed it. Don't miss out, guys. If you're losing money, if you are constantly making bad trades, you're beating yourself up all the time, get over there in the Patreon group, get signed up. We will get you taken care of. Or hop on over to Crypto Mentors. Me and Astro Park can get you taken care of. If you are a seasoned trader and you are looking for a trading script customized and tailored to the way that you trade, then we can assist you in doing that. So go on over there, check us out, let us know what you want. Guys, anybody that joins the Crypto Mentors, you do get free trials of any of the scripts that you see in there, anything. So if you want to go in there and try stuff out, obviously you got to use TradingView. Link for TradingView will be in the description. But we get you guys set up. We can make you a trading script. We can make you bots. We can do just about anything you guys want. Also, if you'd like any cryptocurrency swag or DCA swag, you guys need to head over to Doge World Apparel. The best quality cryptocurrency swag in the market. I'm telling you guys what, it does not even compare to any of the other places I've bought apparel. So go over there, check him out. Again, link will be in the description for that. And guys, the market, oh my gosh, man, Bitcoin went on a tear. So did Ethereum. Awesome. Litecoin jumped up there. Past videos we have been looking at the $50 to $55 area, and Litecoin did make it up there. We did have a ginormous short on Bitcoin at the top. Patreon's got to see that. So don't miss out, guys. Get in there, get them. I wouldn't say they're signals per se. I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing. If you want to copy it, by all means do so. But today, guys, I want to go over just a couple of places where you can earn crypto and you can do different things without having to risk your money. Some are risky, some are not. Some of these you will have to KYC for, some you will not. Some you will need a VPN for, some you will not. VPN, NordVPN, that's what I use. Link will be in the description for that as well, guys. But if you are outside of the US, you really don't have to worry about it too much. But there's several different ways, and this is a lot for the new guys, new people coming into crypto. And I've noticed that we've had an increase here in the last few weeks with brand new people to crypto. Particularly one guy I seen today was buying off of a crypto ATM. So I don't know if that's his only way of getting it, but I think if he watches some of our videos, he'll get a better understanding of how things work, and that no, you don't have to go to the ATM. Plus, a lot of them ATMs want KYC, and when I say KYC, that is know your customer. And basically, when you have to KYC to something, to an exchange, a platform, a lending platform, interest platform, basically what you're doing is giving the platform your full government information, your name, your social security number, your address, the place where you work in some cases, and a lot of times they want pictures of your ID, they want selfies, they want a picture of a piece of mail. They are doing this for tax reasons. So if you were to make big gains, you are going to have to pay capital gains tax, and same if you lose a ton, you can claim a loss. But that's what KYC is basically is. I try to stay away from stuff that requires a KYC, especially trading exchanges. I try my very hardest to get clean Bitcoin onto my trading exchange, and then I take and get clean Bitcoin off and get it to a wallet. Whether I have to move it around and make it look like somebody sent it to me for a good or services or something of that nature. Not financial advice on any of this, but it's just one of the ways that I try to stay away from the big taxes if I can. Now, there are several things, guys, that I do use that obviously I had to KYC for, like Coinbase. And I'm not going to show you Coinbase Earn today, but I will have some links in there. And when the video premieres, I will be shooting a couple links out for Coinbase Earn. Basically, you can just go to Coinbase, you make an account, you KYC, you do all your stuff, and you can just watch some videos on some of the assets that Coinbase offers, and you can earn money. And I think it's almost a few $100s if you do all the tasks and complete everything for each asset that they offer the earn for. So you will be able to do that. That's pretty cool. And like I said, you do have to KYC for them. But there are several platforms, several good ones, and we're not going over all of them. We're just going over some of the ones that I use and some of the ones that DCA, we as a group use, and what me and Astro Park are using. These platforms, you can stake crypto, and basically what staking is you are buying a cryptocurrency and you are holding it in a wallet for a certain period of time. Some places require a lockup time where you buy said asset, you put it into your interest account or your staking account, and there's a lock period. It may be 3 months, it may be 6 months, maybe a year. But that entire time that your cryptocurrency is staking, you are earning rewards. Some pay you in the same crypto that you are staking, some pay you in Bitcoin. It just depends on what platform you're using. The ones I'm going to show you today are probably the two biggest well-known ones right now, and we are actively using these. Obviously, I made some burner accounts to show you guys how they work and kind of how to navigate a little bit of it. Yeah, I have a decent amount of money in a couple of these, and I make good returns off of them. So we're going to talk about that. There's a place where I gamble a little bit. I bet on sports. There's casino, and there's a couple different little games that I play every now and then. I will show you guys that you don't have to KYC for. You don't have to well, you do have to have a VPN because it's not available in the United States, which is no big deal, guys. You just you pay for a subscription to NordVPN. Super cheap, very reliable. Never had a problem in 5 years with them. You download them, you turn your VPN on to out of state. I usually turn mine on into Canada. Depending on what exchange I'm trading on, like if I'm trading on Bybit, I will use the Hong Kong servers. That's just what they told me. Said that it helps with data and making sure that you don't get the freeze ups and stuff like in the loading and all that crap that BitMEX and stuff like that's known for. So yeah, guys, so let's just jump right in. First one I'm going to show you is Celsius. Now, Crypto Mikkel had showed you guys this the other day, and this is what he is using. I am also using this. I have money in Celsius, and what you do is they offer certain cryptos, and you can actually deposit them in there and earn interest and be paid out every week. Okay, and that's way better than a bank. A bank, you are going to deposit $1 million into your bank, okay, and said bank is going to take your money and they're going to loan it out to Dick, Tom, and Terry, and they're going to charge Dick, Tom, and Terry, let's say 25% interest, okay, per payment. So they are making a killing off of loaning your money to Dick, Tom, and Terry, and they're not giving you any kickback for it. If you're lucky, you may get 1% annually at the end of the year. These platforms with cryptocurrency are about being unbanked and being your own bank and being responsible for your financial well-being. They are going to pay you for just holding your crypto over on their platform. These places you also can loan your crypto out and earn interest back on your loan, whatever you loaned out, and a lot of them will even let you set parameters where you could say, I want this percentage interest back, and on this loan I want this percentage. Some of them are very customizable like that. There are a few out there that don't let you. It's just a set flat rate fee. But Celsius network is a very good one, and these are their partners. You can see down here, and they got quite a few big name people down here, and you can access Celsius through a ton of different platforms. I, for one, I use Celsius through the regular Celsius app on my phone, and then I also have the Monarch wallet. And with the Monarch wallet, whatever I have in there, I can move it right over to Celsius with a click of a button and have it in my interest account where I'm getting paid every week. Now, if I'm not trading and I have a chunk of money just sitting, I usually push it off into the Celsius app through my Monarch wallet. It's easy that way, and you know, it just sits there and it's working for me while I'm doing nothing. So we're just going to read a little bit about it. We'll go through some of the stuff. This is really a phone app. I don't have it on my computer. I know you can download it on Linux. I'm not running Linux, so Crypto Mikkel, I know, has it on his. But you get 1% cash loans, so take advantage of the lowest loan rates in the industry. Use your crypto as collateral to borrow dollars and stable coins at the lowest rate, starting at 0.70%, which is huge. No bank would ever consider doing this for you. So basically, let's say you wanted a loan of $10,000. Well, you could take the $5,000 in crypto that you have, and you can give it to them as collateral, and then you will pay your monthly payment like you should every month, and then at the end of the loan, at the end of the time, and your loan is paid off, you're paid in full, you get back your crypto that you put in as collateral. So it's a way to get a loan on your crypto without actually having to sell your crypto, which is pretty cool. Celsius Network shares at least 80% of its revenues with the Celsius community in the form of weekly interest payments. All users earn up to 10%. Sell Pay. Instantly send Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like never before. No wallet required. Earn up to $50 by referring new users to client or to Celsius. Earn even more as an ambassador. Celsius Network was founded on a belief that we can do well after we do good for our community. Users pay the lowest interest on loans while feeling good that up to 80% of Celsius revenues are shared with our depositors. not the shareholders. Again, a bank is not going to do that. Have your crypto and earn it too. Earn up to 10% interest on deposits. You can earn in sell and in the crypto that you deposited. The buy crypto buttons are provided by third parties, and your use of their service may be governed by their terms and conditions of use of privacy policies. So like if you were on Celsius and you wanted to buy a certain crypto, you could buy it. So like Bitcoin, if you were to put it in, you're getting 4.51% back in Bitcoin weekly, and 6.2% if you decided to be paid in the Cell token. And you can see down here on Litecoin, you're getting 4.51% paid back if you decide to have it paid in Litecoin, or you can even do it in USD coin, and then 6.13% in the Cell token. And you can see here that they offer a lot of decent cryptos, big name ones that we all use. They offer them here. The Binance USD, you're getting 11.90% in Cell token. That's huge. Bitcoin, not the real Bitcoin at all, but 6.29%, 8.58 in Cell token. Ethereum Classic, 6.11%. That's pretty high. True Canadian dollar, 8.69%. The stable coins are usually the highest paid, I've noticed, on a lot of these platforms. See, like the Gemini dollars, 8.69, the DAI 6.11, USD coin 8.69. But yeah, there's all kinds of stuff on here to do. So let's say you want a loan. So you need a loan. How about 1% APR? Calculate your loan by using the amount you want to borrow or the amount of crypto collateral you have. So let's just let's say that we have Bitcoin. Let's say I have 1 Bitcoin for collateral. Loan to value, let's say 50. So basically what this is saying is I'm giving you 1 Bitcoin, I need half of that as a loan. Or you could say I have 1 Bitcoin for collateral, give me 25% of that in a loan. Give me 33% of that in a loan. So let's just say 50%, so that gives us $5,500. And let's say we need it for 3 years. So pay interest with fiat, you're paying 7.95% APR, which is crazy. That's not that bad. $36 a month. You're paying $1,320. So $1,300 pretty much in interest that you'll pay for the $5,000, which is not, when you consider the grand scheme of thing, if that's not really that much. But if you decided to pay in the Cell token, you're only going to pay $941, which is pretty cheap. You can earn money for referring and all that stuff. No origination fees, no withdrawal fees, no early termination fees, no default fees, fee free. Charging fees is so 2008. We're not here to take your money, we're here to make you money. And then these are just things, but you guys can go in here, click the link in the description, go over here, sign up if you want to do your KYC and do all that stuff and start earning. They are one of the highest paid platforms out there, where you can do a loan, you can loan your crypto out, you know, just they're different things. So that's Celsius. So we're gonna get off of there, and now we're gonna go over here to crypto.com. And I need to not be on the exchange. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys. I love crypto.com. For the big reason, right now, they're waiving credit card fees. So if you want to go in and buy a Bitcoin for 0% fee, this is the place to do it. You need to act quick because they don't do it for long. They do it in spurts throughout the year. This is where I buy a lot of my Bitcoin at the moment. This is another one where you do have to KYC. You can do the same thing with interest. You can do loans. You can get loans. There's all kinds of stuff on here. They have a really sweet debit card. A lot of our guys have a debit card. By signing up with the link right now below, you will receive $50 instantly. Okay, that $50, you will need to stake that though. The staking period I think is 6 months, but it flies by, guys. And I guarantee if we are starting a bull run and you get in now and you get that $50 now in MCO token, it'll be worth a lot more than $50 in the 6 months when the unlock period is, and you can actually take it out and do whatever with. But guys, it's a free 50 bucks. And you can buy Bitcoin for free right now, no fee at all. So we're going to go through, we'll do the same thing on this. We'll go through and just look at some of the stuff. I know myself, I have the Crypto.com debit card. Mikkel has one of these. AstroPark has one of these. Chris has one. I think Gundy may have one as well. There is a lot of us using this one. It is a very good app. They do have it for mobile. And like I said, guys, you do have to KYC with this one as well. It's powered by the CRO, the Crow coin, with deep liquidity, low fees, and best execution prices. This is for the app, is what or the exchange that they're talking about here. And dude, and guys, they do a lot of really good promos. Like they just did one where you could buy Bitcoin for 50% off if you staked so many MCO tokens. And the more MCO tokens that you stake, the better debit card that you can get. And like some of the debit cards actually pay 100% on certain things. And all the debit cards that they offer pay you cash back every time you swipe the card, which is pretty good. You get Crow coins back, which right now are worth a decent little amount. But so let's say you staked the highest amount of MCO. I think it's 50 or 500 or something like that. But you could get Amazon Prime, you can get Hulu, you can get Netflix, you can get there's one other one you can get all paid for free. Spotify, I think it is. They pay you cash back, so they basically are paying your bill for all those services for free. So just that in itself, you add all that up, just in itself is saving you a ton of money a year by making a one-time staking deal of MCO token. And you guys, if you don't know what staking is and mining and all that stuff, you know, go in to our Discord. Mikkel and Nemesis and Nefarious and Grits and all them guys in there, they're miners. They will be able to explain the staking and the mining and all that stuff way better than I can. I'm just a degenerate trader, guys. This is really not my forte too much as far as the staking and mining. I mean, obviously I know how to use these applications and platforms, but they are the guys you want to talk to about the mining stuff. Alright, on the app, you can buy 55 plus coins at true cost. No fees, no markup. Super, super awesome. I can't think of any other places that do that are free fee right now to buy. Okay, go into Coinbase and try to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin right now and tell me you're not paying, you know, a $40 to $50 fee on top of that. It's crazy. Here are the cards. We got Metal Visa card with up to 5% back on all spending. Now that's the highest tier card, I do believe. They are available in Europe, UK, USA, and Singapore. That's awesome. A lot of our people are from those areas. Deposit crypto, earn interest paid weekly in crypto. Credit, deposit crypto, get an instant loan. Deposit crypto, get an instant loan. Pay in your own time, no late fees or deadlines. Awesome. What bank does this? Nobody, guys. Deposit your crypto as collateral and receive true USD or Paxel or USDC or USD credit. 50 or less MCO is different from 500 MCO for the staking. So if you're staking 500 MCO, you're getting 8% APR on MCO collateral. On your Crow collateral, you're getting 8%, and Litecoin, you're getting 8%. pay and be paid in crypto anywhere for free. So anytime you buy something, you're getting cash back, no matter what it is. You own the keys to your crypto on this wallet. We're going to go up here to earn, and we're going to go to learn more. So up to 8% on your crypto and 12% for stablecoin. Simple interest paid weekly in your crypto. Example, Bitcoin deposit, interest paid in Bitcoin. Compare staking and non-staking benefits. So like right now, I have staking 50 MCO or less. So for the supported coins, you can get up to 6% if you lock them up for 3 months, 4% if you lock up for a month, and flexible is 2%. These are just your regular cryptos, and the flexible is you can deposit anytime and you can withdraw anytime. There's no lockup period like the 1 month and 3 month. Your stable coins, like I told you guys on the last one, they're usually higher paid. So if you're using 50% or less on the MCO stake, then you're going to get 10% on your stable coin. For 3 months, you're going to get 8% on your 1 month, and you'll get 6 for flexible. If you're using Crow and you got 50 or less MCO coins and you want to stake the Crow coin, which this is what's ran off of, is Crow, for 3 months you'll get paid 16%, 1 month 14%, and 12 months for flexible. This is a no-brainer, especially for any of you new guys just getting in. You want to start making money, but you are afraid to risk anything trying to learn to trade, because let's face it, trading is super hard. If you are brand new to trading, you are going to lose, plain and simple, until you find somebody who is not selfish, I guess I want to say, not out for themselves, and who truly wants to help you learn. It's very hard. I mean, obviously you need to research yourself and do a lot of your own homework, but without a mentor, it would have been really hard for me. I did have a guy that helped me after a couple years of trying to learn myself, and you know, everybody lost. I lost a lot learning through my journey. That's why I'm here, and this is why I do it now. I want to help you guys not make the same mistakes. So let's say you had 500 or more MCO, and I think MCO is right around the $4.50, $5 mark. So let's say you had less, or 500 or more. Look how much the numbers went up. You're getting 18% on Crow for a 3-month lockup. That's huge. That's huge. That's a pretty big gain on your Crow bag if you're staking 500 more MCO coins. So it's pretty good, guys. And every week I get an email telling me the latest rates. Same with Celsius when we were talking about that. Every week they send you an email, because sometimes the rates do go up, they do go down, but not very much. Bonus. Users that stake 5,000 MCO or more earn an additional 2% on fixed term deposits paid in MCO, not applicable to MCO or Crow deposits. Tokens and crypto earn. They got all the big ones. All of them. And they're adding all the time. So let's go to the cards. Okay, so the black card, this is your highest. Then you got your 5,000, 500 MCO, 50 MCO, and you're free. I currently have both of these. I have a free one and I have the 50 MCO one. So basically, if you have the free card, you get 1% back on all spending. If you are staking 50 MCO tokens, you'll get 2% back on any time that you swipe that card. And so on and so forth. You guys can follow the chart. If you are staking 5,000 MCO, you're getting 5% back every time you spend. And guys, that adds up really quick. It really does. If you're staking 50 MCO, you're going to get paid back 100% on your Spotify, your Netflix, your Amazon Prime, and your Expedia. Your free one, you don't get none of those. Your Expedia is only 10% on your 5,000 and 50,000. But guys, you're getting these 4 things right here for 100% free. So, Spotify's what, $15 a month. Then you got Netflix. Mine's like $25 a month, $26 a month. My Prime is $20 a month. So that's 20, 40. That's a little over $50 a month that you're saving just for having 50 MCO locked up. It's a pretty good deal. They got some stuff down here where you can go on trips and blah, 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 blah. No ATM fee, monthly withdrawal limit. So, if you got the free card, no fees up to $200. International Bank, no fees up to $2,000. And you guys can go through all these and check them out. And then they're very transparent about everything. They got the research reports, inheritance service, industry event access, priority customer service. Again, guys, I really like them. Link for these guys will be in the description. Like I said, sign up with these guys. You will get $50 automatically as soon as you sign up. You do have to go through KYC. I think it's worth it for the debit card and for the perks that you get with it, because you're not going to find this going down to your local bank or your centralized banks. They don't give nothing like this. This is why they suck. This is why crypto's way better. This is why we need to be financially responsible. And until things like this get super easy where grandma and grandpa can do it, that's when I think adoption is going to come. Every single month it's getting easier and easier, and every single month we see an increase of new people coming in. It's a matter of time. We're talking about digital dollar, in the United States, and I think that was a big catalyst. I think it really got people looking into digital assets and what they are and how to use them, and it's a matter of time, guys. It's a matter of time. So this was crypto.com. Sign up for that. Check it out. The next one, this is a gambling site. This is one of my all-time favorite sites. You guys will get a bonus if you use my link to sign up. You will need a VPN for this if you are inside the US. Again, guys, use the NordVPN link down there. Sign up for a month. I think you can get it for like $3 if you pay for 6 months of it. You can get it for $3 a month, something like that. And they got all kinds of different settings in the NordVPN. You can have an onion VPN where it's layers after layer after layer. There's a dedicated IP address. There's all kinds of different things you can do. But this here, guys, you can come in. It almost kind of works a little bit like a faucet where you can come in every week. You can reload your account. They give you bonuses on stuff. Basically, you can come over here to the casino, and these are where you can play all the games. You can play slots, live casino, game shows, jack slots, future buy-in, table games, blackjack, keno, all these. One of my favorite games, guys, it's called Crash. And we'll try to play it a little bit here and see if my computer doesn't crash out, because it does pull a lot. But basically what Crash is you'll bet an amount of Bitcoin, and then you'll see this line goes, and now it crashed. Boom. You want to cash out before it crashes. So there's a strategy around this. I've seen this thing go up to 500x. So let's say you placed 1 Bitcoin for bet. You cashed out at 2. Boom, now you just got 2 Bitcoin. You just won a Bitcoin. You just doubled your money. It crashed out at 231. You want to cash out before that. So let's go ahead and try it. We got 0, 1, 2. Let me see here. I don't have very much as a burner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll go 5, 2, 3. And we're gonna cash out. I always put this way up so I can cash out whenever I want. You'll see this is just your cash out X, 22X, 23X, 24X. Right now we're at 4X, 5X, 5X, 5.67. So guys, normally when it does a real big long like that, a big long run, I won't bet in because it's usually going to crash real short a couple times and tag you out. So we'll kind of just wait here for a second and watch, and we'll just see how long this goes up. Let's say you had an Ethereum Classic. You put one Ethereum Classic in, boom, you just made 2.45 back. This will probably be a super long one since I didn't get in. There's 2X. And these people are cashing out. You see them dropping down. They're people cashing out. And you can set this bot style so it'll automatically do it for you. Let's say you bet one Ethereum Classic. You want it to cash out at 1.5 every time. You actually make money doing that. 7.66. You would have 7x'd whatever you bet just right there. I'm going all in with whatever's left in the account. So I'm going to wait till after we get a short crash and then I'll enter. Boom, crashed out. And these are people that are betting. You can do hidden bets where no one sees how much you're actually betting. Again, guys, I really like the crash game. I've made a shit ton of money off of it. I wish it would go up to like friggin' 5x for you. Okay, there we go. I'm in. Let's say I'm going to cash out right now. I just cashed out at 1 point whatever that was. So once it crashes, it'll pay me out. Super fun. Super easy way to make a lot of money really quick. But don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy because you will lose it. Look at that. 6x, 7, 8, 9, 10x. You had a 10x, 11. It just crashed out at 11.60x. So, as you can see, it paid me out. I'm 673 up there. I started out with 523. Watch, it'll probably crash out pretty short since it just went on a long run. But I've seen it go up to 200-300x before. Crap in my pants. Can you imagine if you'd have put 1 Bitcoin in there? I just like watching it and see if we can get a big one on here for you guys. Ooh. It's always the ones that get you real short here. But what you can do is you can click over here on the manual. Or auto, I'm sorry. Click on the auto. And then you can put your bet size. You want it to cash out, let's say, at 1.5 every time. We're going to go over here and jump in. And watch, I'll probably lose it. It'll crash out quick. Yep, lost it. So now I'm down to 150. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's turn this 1.52 cents into $1 billion. Let's go to 2x. Let's go to 3. Oh, I'm gonna cash out there. So I just 2x'd what I bet, and it'll probably go to freaking 200. Probably. You watch. That's my luck. Ooh, 7, 8x, 9x, 10x. Ooh, look at her go. 14x, 15x, 16x, 7. What I tell you guys? 20x, 21, 22, 23x, guys. You would have put 1 Bitcoin in, you would have got back 23 freaking Bitcoin. Stupid. This game is super fun. Get in here, check it out, guys. Use my link if you wanted a better bonus on your deposit. And like I said, they have all kinds of stuff. They got jackpot slots. They got feature buy-in, table games, blackjack, bearcat, roulette. I like to bet sports a lot on here. I do want to talk with the DCA guys and start our sports betting channel possibly. I have a guy that I follow. He does cost money, so maybe it be a premium channel, and we have like a buy-in $10 a month or something, and we can go off of if you guys want to follow him or whatever. But I've made some pretty good money on sports betting. Football season was good last year, but they got UFC, baseball, hockey, soccer, NBA. There's all kinds of different stuff. Hockey, League of Leagues. You can click over here on basketball. Right now we have Memphis Grizzlies and New Orleans Pelicans. And these are cyber NBA games. These are not real games, but you can bet on these. In the NBA, you got Utah Jazz, New Orleans. You can actually, these are real live games here. All kinds of good stuff to bet on, guys. But gamble at your own risk. It's super easy to lose. You lose it very fast. You guys just seen on the crash game how good things can go for a minute and they can turn right back around and bite you in the butt. So be safe. This is not a way to make a living. I mean, you can make good money off some of these games, but most of these guys are made to win. You know, the house wins. The house has the edge. So keep that in mind. That's normally I'm either betting on sports or I'm playing that crash game. I don't typically play all the other stuff. I might play some blackjack here and there. I do have a place where I play blackjack online. You have to buy in. It's another crypto thing, but if anybody's interested in that, just DM me and I can show you where it is. You do need VPNs for all this stuff. But we go over here to the casino real quick. Check out the casino. So slot machines, we'll just take a gander at it. We got 172 left in Bitcoin, so let's just go ahead and we'll just go ahead and spend it. Do real play, and you can, and like you just seen, you can do real or you can do fun. You don't have to bet no money. Right now it's just loading up to figure out how it's gonna screw me. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Well, if it doesn't come on here in like 2 seconds, I'll just click off of it and you guys can go in and check it out. Yeah, we'll play with the Bitcoin. I can't see down there. I don't know why it's not letting me. Scroll down. Oh, there it goes. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, we're not going to go through all that. But anyway, guys, that is stake.com. Make sure you use the VPN for that. Get off there. And the last place that we're going to go over is just a Bitcoin faucet. I will leave the link for this in the description as well. But basically, you can go in here every hour, you roll the dice. They also have betting on here, really cool. And if you hold over $5 worth of Bitcoin, you do get paid, I think it's 5, maybe 5% interest daily on here, on your holdings. So I'm up at a pretty high tier. I've been using this for over 3 years now. So definitely want to use my link. It'll give you better odds at winning when you do the rolls, because I'm up in a higher tier. So check out, it's called Free Bitcoin. It's a good faucet. They do, you can do, I have won the $200 in free Bitcoin. I hit the jackpot on rolling. And back when that happened is when I first got into the faucets and figuring out what they were. And I was like addicted. I had alarms set on here, because you can set an alarm on this website it'll do a pop-up every hour and tell you when you can go spin. And yeah, I was spinning that thing like freaking 20 times a day, 20 hours straight, you know. So I ended up hitting the jackpot. But you can also multiply your Bitcoin playing high-low. You're just picking a high number, low number. You have to tell them I'm busy. Tell them I'll be up in a minute. Free weekly lottery, big prizes, win a Lamborghini with golden tickets, Bitcoin savings account with daily interest. That's what I was talking about. And using my referral, and then you start referring people. It's like a multi-level marketing bullcrap. So I'm already up high, so you will be up high using my referral, and then when you use your referral to somebody else, you get a bigger chunk of the commission. Super good. I did not sign into this before I started doing the video, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I can't actually show you. I don't want to show you any of my credentials, but that is that. Link will be in the description. And let's get over here to Bitcoin real quick, guys. I'm sorry I have to cut this short, so we'll have to go a little bit fast here. My boss from work is outside waiting to talk to me. So real quick here, Bitcoin did go on a run. We did get up over 11,000. We got all the way up to 11,400 area, looks like. Looking at this trend line, you could say yes, we broke the trend line. We're going on a run. If we were to redraw the trend line now, go from wick to wick, you don't even have to go wick to wick. You could go from body to body, like how I normally like to draw my trend lines. Body to body. Very important trend line there. Big area of resistance. Let's come up here to this body. And actually, we're gonna come down here to this one here. So boom, boom, boom. Oh, move that up a little bit, like that. So we're using wicks on the top here. This is the new trend line. This is what I'm watching on a weekly chart. You guys can see. Let's turn off these moving averages real quick. Draw our bottom trend line here that we've been following for a good bit. You guys can see we got pretty close. That's pretty close to a touch. Yeah, can't really do that. I had to go right in there. So we've only tested this a few times on the weekly chart, but if we were to, for some reason, break back down and test the bottom of this trend, we're looking at the $5,600–$5,700 area. Everybody knows how I'm trading, at least my Patreons know, and the guys that have been along for the journey know what trading strategy I'm doing right now on a daily time frame. 10,500 was the key area that we've been watching for months and months and months. We did break it. We got to close above it. I am bullish. Short term, I'm still not convinced that we're bull run time. As long as we can stay above 10,000, we'll be okay. I do suspect that we will come back and test that area. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we do have the 21-week moving average getting ready to do a bullish crossover on the 50-week moving average. So be prepared for another pump, guys. we want to see a nice breakout of this trend line. We want to see it come back and test that as support. We want to respect it. We want to validate it. That's our confirmation for continuation. So as long as we have that, and I think it's very possible, guys. I'm looking at 12.5 to 13,000 as our first stopping point. We really want to see a big jump above 11.5 and a close above 11.5, and you know, then I'm really going to get excited. 12.5, 13,000 is the very big first area of resistance I'm looking. If I was going to long, which I'm not right now, I'll show you what I'm looking at when I am looking to long. Kind of right now I'm just sitting on my hands. I have scalp traded a few shorts. It's just easier to get in on these big pumps. But if we were to break down on this weekly, we get rejected off of that trend line here and we break back down and we don't get above it. Yeah, we're gonna say that's the new trend line. Be looking at the 50-week moving average is going to be the first one, right around the $8,600 mark. The 21-week is right there too at the 85. So $85, $8,600, anywhere's in there. Be looking for a retest too. We have to respect that area. That if we break below 10.5, it could get very ugly. Where's our 10.5? Right. Let's get our 10.5 mark on here. We come back here and we don't validate this and respect the 10.5 area as support. I'm going to be looking for there's a little bit of support in the 9,500 area, but I'm looking at that moving average down to 21-week to 50-week, right around the $8,600 area. Keep it in mind, guys. Very possible that we come back for a retest at the 10.5. If the 10.5 doesn't hold, I'm looking down here at the at these moving averages on a weekly time frame, $8,600, $8,700. If we switch over to the daily time frame, let's get rid of some of the trend lines here. We did get the bullish cross from the 21-day crossing over the 50-day, so this is very, very good. You can see how tight we followed that 21-day moving average. We come back down, that 21 days right at the $9,700, $9,800. That 50-day moving average is at the $9,400, $9,500 mark. So these two areas, guys, is where I'm looking for a pullback to. Our first pullback could be right around at the 10,300 area would be the first little hiccup I'm looking at. But by then, these moving averages will probably be up in that price range. So, guys, get in the Patreon group. I'm showing in there where the major supports and the major resistance areas are to be watching. You need to get in there and check that out. And I'm going to let everybody know when something big happens or a big move happens or I'm getting ready to go all in. I usually get in there right away and I let the Patreons know. So, guys, it's worth the $25 a month for the Patreon. You're not only getting the trading script that people charge way more money for, but you're also getting trading bots. The bots, you can just copy paste the trades, do what they're doing. We do have API bot for Binance where you hook up through API and it automatically trades for you. And we do one-on-ones. You can do a one-on-one with me and you get the signal group. So if you guys know of any other crypto group that has all that stuff for less than $25 a month, please leave it in the comments below. I'm very interested to see if there is any. Here on the daily, you could kind of say that we're forming a bull flag. You guys know how, especially the guys in the Patreon, you guys know what to do, how we're trading these. I don't even call them the flags or the triangles. We call them breakout trades in the Patreon group. We so much don't worry about whether it's going up or down. We're just playing the breakout. Go back, watch some of the old videos if you want to find out exactly how I'm doing it, or get in that Patreon group and we will show you. Go back out here on the weekly. I drew this for the guys right when I seen it. It was probably last week or right at the beginning of the pump. Let's get rid of the moving averages real quick. I'm busy, hang on you guys. Inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's kind of ugly, but it's there. A lot of people were calling this very possible measured move though of the inverse head and shoulders. Go to the neckline right at the 10.5. We'll just say there. Scrunch us down. Right around $16,000-$17,000 move if you're measuring from the neckline down to the head, and you just take that line and you put it on top of the neckline. You can kind of get a guesstimation on the move there. We need a lot more volume to come in, guys. We'll see. It's very possible that we do make a run to that. Just stay frosty. Get in the Patreon group if you want help, if you want the latest of what's happening and what's going on in the Bitcoin market. And you guys get in there with the bots. They're also doing altcoin signals and stuff like that. So I don't give too many alt signals. I do mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I have for tonight. I hope you guys liked the content in the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We would really appreciate it, guys. And get in there and sign up with my links. They will benefit you greatly. Way better than just signing up on your own or through somebody who is a lower tier on some of them. Especially with the stake.com. I'm pretty high up tier on there, so get in there and check that out. Let me know what you guys think. Try some of these platforms out, and then leave in the comments. Come back to the video, give me a comment on how you guys liked it, or if you didn't like it. Give me some pros and cons. If you guys know of anything better, please drop those in the comments too. Very interested to look at anything new. And again, guys, these were just some of the platforms we're using. I kind of have my hands in a little of everything. Especially with new stuff. I like trying out new stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys here in a couple hours, and be sure to join in on Friday night live stream, where we are giving away Bitcoin every Friday night. And come hang out and just talk and shoot the shit about whatever. But with that, guys, have a good night, stay safe, wash your hands, and see you in a couple hours.